how to make bots play each other on chess.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make two bots play with each other on chess.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So open the chess.com app or the website, and then you want to make one bot play another bot in a simultaneous manner. But keep in mind that this isn't possible in a direct way, but there is still a way to get around it. But for that you need to have a second phone or maybe a second tab over here. So what this does is that on one phone what you do is you just play with the computer and have a bot play with a human as black, and on the other you want to have a person play as a white. And once you do that, if the black bot over here moves this, you want to make sure to move the black bot on the right hand side tab that as well. So this is one of the only ways to accomplish this, as I can see it so far. As I said earlier, you just want to make sure to get two games going in different tabs with human versus each of the two bots, then have the human play as white on the one and black on the other. So you can use the bot's move as white from one game as the human input for white in the other game. Then when black responds, take that move and play it as black in the other game, and then repeat. So this is the only way to get around this. Just play with a human over here and then you should be able to good to go as well. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.